Royal Commander's lone goal secured Makolanda's 1-0 win over Mathare women in a women's Premier League match played at KCB grounds in Nairobi. In another match played at the same venue, Gospel women beat Kayole Starlets with the same margin.
Moja. Ingia nayo tu. Ingia kwa box. Moja.
Kujipanga vizuri mazoezini. Tukaja tukajipanga kwenye hii game. Ongelea games zingine kama ile mwisho tulicheza mara ya mwisho. Kweli tulikuwa tupate ushindi lakini tuliachilia madaka ya mwisho. Tukaja tukajipanga tuko na hapana. Game next lazima tushinde. Ndio tukaja na ushindi leo.
Mimi naona tumecheza tu vizuri, ni chances zetu hatukutumia because tunazipata. So we've done a lot of finishing. So next tunafanya nini? Because now maybe tunikuongelesha sasa strikers wetu in front of goal kuna komposha, confidence hiyo tu.
The national ladies hockey team sailed to a third consecutive win in the 2022 Africa Cup of Nations test matches after trouncing Uganda 5-0, courtesy of goals from Caroline Guchu, Maureen Okumu, Flavia Mutiva, Goli Okumu and Alice Aoko. However, luck was not on the men's side, who lost 0-2 to Uganda.
Karogushu finds Flavian, has the opportunity to transfer, feeds into circle, second post play into Maureen Okumu, nice deflection. Good vision on the pass by Flavian. And nice connection with Maureen Okumu. Goal number 2 for Kenya. Alice gives Kenya goal number 5 with just over a minute of play to go.
Chelsea moved into the FA Cup semi-finals as Oliver Norwood's own goal and